Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 14, how to have a magical day. So, we did day 13 yesterday, in which we have understood how to manifest our dreams and desires, our goals and our wishes by giving them gratitude in advance, as to first saying thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times of what we desire, how we feel, who will we tell, and how will we tell. We have to identify 10 wishes, and then we have to do like a, you know, this activity. I've done it because we couldn't do a session yesterday, so I did it 2 times. I'm already feeling very great. So now today we are going to talk about day 14, have a magical day. Intentions compressed into words enfold magical power. Deepak Chopra, medical doctor and writer. To see and experience the most magical day of your life, you can be grateful for your whole day before you live it. To have a magical day, you simply think through your plans for the day and say the magic words, thank you for each one going well, before you have lived it. It is the easiest thing to do. It only takes a few minutes, but the difference it can make in your day is incredible. Being grateful for your day beforehand creates a magical day through the law of attraction. When you give thanks for the experiences in your day going well, you must receive back experiences going well. When you give thanks, you must receive back the experiences going well. If you don't believe you have the power to affect the circumstances of your day so dramatically, think of the days when you woke up at the wrong side of the bed, when you woke up grumpy, when you woke up in a bad mood, and then continuously your entire day becomes absolutely not joyful, not happy. Now, how does that happen? At the end of the day, you start claiming that my entire day was not a good day. I had a bad day today. I had a rough day today. It's because you didn't even realize and you woke up with not such a grateful thought. So it is important that we get up and we kind of give advance gratification, advance gratitude to our day. Now, if you are somebody who likes to kind of, have like a list a day before or in the morning what you need to do, you need to kind of give 1 minute to each of the event and say thank you for the most amazing, most joyful, and a most smooth meeting, amazing phone call, good dinner, good holiday, extra money coming in, the client materializing, the deal materializing, whatever it is. All right. So even waking up in a bad mood doesn't happen by accident, because it means that you went off to sleep thinking negatively about something, perhaps without even realizing it. That's exactly why we do like the gratitude magic rock practice every night when we sleep. And in the morning, the first thing we do is that we express gratitude to each and everything that makes our morning and start our day with 10 things that we are grateful for, so that we end our day with that gratitude and begin our day with gratitude. So, when you start and when you end your day with absolute gratitude, it's just that your entire day becomes very, very smooth. So try it. All right. Whatever your plans are for the day today, whether it's traveling, a meeting, work project, lunch, exercise, dropping off, dry cleaning friend, yoga, cleaning your house, just imagine it and say thank you for those experiences even before you are living them. For each one of them going well. Whether you do this magical practice in your mind or on a paper, the most important thing is to just to feel gratitude, to believe it's going to happen amazingly well. When you use gratitude ahead of time to have a magical day, it wipes out unexpected problems or difficulties before they happen. The more you use this magical practice, the better your days will become every day. And from the smallest things to the important things, everything starts going well in your life. The bumpy days smooth out, And instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening to your days start to have a magical flow about them. And things seem to magically go your way with less effort, no worry, no stress, and far more joy. Now, Rhonda is saying, when I first began to use gratitude to have a magical day, I chose to give thanks ahead of time for the events in my day, and I didn't enjoy doing very much. One of those things was going to the supermarket. At the beginning of the day, I said the magic words, "Thank you for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket." I had no idea how a trip to the supermarket could be easy and joyful, but but I felt as much gratitude that outcome as I could feel in that moment. Now, when Rhonda expressed gratitude for her visit to the supermarket, magically her supermarket trip actually became very well. It's written in her experiences that she found the right parking spot, she met two friends, they had like better plans about that. She was one of her friend introduced her to something what she was looking for. Everything magically appeared in front of her, you know what she was looking for in that particular visit of the supermarket. Now, one thing that a lot of people come to me and tell me is that how come the universe will suddenly change or shift things because of their one prayer? My answer is, why not? Do you feel that you are not that important, that the universe will not conspire in your favor or work in your favor? My point is, it's very, very true that your one prayer will shift things in the entire universe that favors you. Your one prayer is that powerful. Your one gratitude prayer is really, really that powerful. It only takes few minutes in the morning to use gratitude to have a magical day by giving thanks for the events in your day ahead of time. But this one practice alone will change the way your entire day unfolds. You can use as many superlatives as you like to help you feel more grateful. Thank you for the incredibly successful meeting. Thank you for the amazing outcome with the phone call. Thank you for one of the best days ever at work. Thank you for one of the best days of my life. Thank you for the thrilling sports game. Thank you for the effortless and fun day of cleaning. Thank you for materializing my deal. Thank you for this new client. Thank you for that extra income. Thank you for good health. Thank you for feeling rejuvenated. Thank you for that amazing drive of work. Thank you for that beautiful dinner. Whatever you want to manifest, you manifest. After you have finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day, end the practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today without fail. I'm saying this right now. And if you are watching this video, say this right now. Thank you for a very, very good news that will bring absolute joy in my life and make me feel very, very happy coming to me towards the end of today. And thank you for this very good news that is coming to me by the end of tomorrow, that just lightens up my day, just makes me feel extremely happy and extremely positive. And thank you for another good news that is coming to me the next day, which just makes me feel fulfilled, positive, confident, powerful, courageous, clear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for that good news that is coming to me the day after, that strengthens my faith in gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's the end of today's session. Now, tomorrow's session is Heal Your Relationships Magically. And it's again a very, very, let's heal our relationships magically tomorrow. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining this session. And thank you for the great news that comes to my life every day, that brings so much joy in my life, that brings so much happiness in my life. that, strengthens my faith in gratitude and in universe, that makes me feel loved, that makes me feel appreciated, that makes me feel useful, that makes me feel extremely creative. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you all of you for sharing my videos. Thank you all of you for uh, bringing in more and more and more people to this group of book reading. Thank you all for so much love that you have showered, that you're showering my way. I love you all. Thank you so much. And thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, people who are behind magic. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Master Chokoksui. Thank you, Dr. Usui. Thank you, 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 thank you all. Thank you.